The most relevant, uh, you can say, the concept that is running into the market for deciding the advertising budget is DAGMAR. DAGMAR. Let us see what DAGMAR is. Before that, let me explain you the communication effect pyramid. For example, if you are communicating, if your advertisement is targeting to the 100 people, 90 percentage of them, that is 90 people, will get aware about your product, out of which 70 people will keep the knowledge and comprehend the knowledge in their minds, out of which 40 people will like your product, still not purchased. 25 people will prefer your product over the competitor's product, out of which 20 people will try the product, and 5% or 5 people will repurchase and reuse your product regularly. So a loyalty rate will be 5%. So this is the communication effect pyramid that we need to keep in mind while designing our objectives. Same is the funnel. The funnel says about that awareness is to the maximum, but purchase is done by very much less number of people. Each of Cole possesses that the communication task to be based on hierarchical model of communication process with 4 stages. First, awareness, making the consumer aware of the existence of brand or company. Comprehension, developing an understanding of what the product is and what it will do for the consumer. Conviction, conviction, develop a mental disposition in the consumer to buy the product. And last comes action, getting the consumer to purchase the product. DAGMAR, defining advertising goals for measuring advertising results. DAGMAR model is that communication effects are the logical basis for advertising goals and objectives against which success or failure should be measured. It says that you design the advertising goals in such a way that they are easily measurable. The objectives characteristics should be concrete, they can be measured, it should have your target audience, the benchmark and degree of change sought, and it should be for specified time period. Dagmar has criticisms. It has problem with the hierarchy, response hierarchy. It cannot be matched with sales objectives. It is not practical in nature and it has highly cost. Inhabilitation of creativity. The creativity dies when we use Dagmar for designing advertisement objectives. So with this, we complete one more concept, that is Dagmar under integrated marketing communication subject.